My name's Dalith and this is my first evening volunteering for the Mentrau.
Volunteering is crucial for the success of these clubs, to be honest. There's only one of me, so there's only so much I can do, and we've got around 5 extra volunteers.
I did a BASI Level 1 coaching qualification at Manchester through the Mentrau. The course was $650 for a 5-day course, and the Mentrau gave me 50% of the course.
Doing this in the Welsh language, where we have fun, and is very, very rewarding.
I've been volunteering in Mentrau for probably the best part of 20 years. I also run a group which meets every Thursday morning for conversation over a cup of coffee or tea. We chat in Welsh. There's no structure to it. We just meet and chat.
Tadwyl is Cardiff's Welsh Arts and Culture Festival, held annually at Cardiff Castle. It's a free event that attracted 36,000 people this year. Without 120 volunteers, we wouldn't be able to open our gates on the weekend. We depend on these volunteers for various roles, from stewarding to back of house to stage managing, all kinds of stuff.